People decide how much they trust you in less than 7 seconds. Before you speak, before you explain, that decision is based on your image. In this video, you will learn how image consulting and personal branding actually shape success and how to design it intentionally. Skills alone no longer guarantee success. In today's world, perception creates opportunity. In this video, break down image consulting and personal branding not as a passion or hype, but as a strategic system for credibility, influence, and growth. Have you ever felt capable but still overlooked? That's not a skill problem, that's an image problem. Let's understand how image consulting and personal branding quietly decide who gets trusted, promoted, and paid. Your image speaks before you do. Your personal brand speaks when you are not even present. Perception creates power, image decides opportunity. People decide your value before you speak, before your qualifications, before your experience. That decision is based on image. How image consulting and personal branding actually works, why they matter more than ever, how you can consciously design how the world perceives you. What image really means, not fashion. Common misunderstanding is image is equal to clothes, looks, style. No. In reality, image is perception formed through multiple signals. Image is a total impression you create through appearance, body language, voice and communication, behavior and etiquette, digital presence, values and consistency. People don't experience your intentions, they experience your signals. Why image consulting matters today? In the past, reputation spread slowly. First impression could be corrected over time. Today, social media, video calls, LinkedIn, online presence, first impressions are fast and permanent. Image consulting helps build instant trust, reduce resistance, increase influence, align outer image with inner capability. The 5 pillars of image consulting: appearance, visual credibility. This includes grooming, clothing, colors, fit, professional alignment. Appearance answers one question instantly: can I trust this person? It's not about luxury, it's about appropriateness and intentions. Body language, silent authority. Confidence or insecurity. Your posture, gestures, eye contact, and communication. Confidence or insecurity, leadership or submission, calm or anxiety. Body language often speaks louder than words. Communication style, verbal image, includes tone of voice, clarity, listening skills, assertiveness. People judge intelligence and leadership more by how you speak than what you say. Behavior and etiquette, social intelligence. This covers respect, emotional control, professional conduct, cultural awareness. Etiquette is not old fashioned, it's emotional safety for others. Digital image, online identity. Your social media, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, DP, content you share. Your digital image speaks even when you are silent. What is personal branding? Personal branding is the intentional shaping of how people remember you. It's not fake personality, self promotion, or acting. It is clarity, consistency, and authentic positioning. The core element of personal branding is identity, who you are, the values, the strengths, the beliefs, the personality. Branding starts inside, not outside. Positioning, what you are known for. Ask, what problem do I solve? What value do I bring? What do I want to be remembered for? If you don't define your brand, others define it randomly. Consistency, trust builder. Consistency in appearance, communication, behavior, online presence. Consistency is credibility. Visibility, confidence, strategic presence. Branding needs expression, communication, contribution. Great value without visibility remains invisible. Image versus brand, critical difference. First impression, image. Personal branding, long term perception. Visual and behavioral image. Value and reputation, personal branding. Image, immediate. Personal branding, compounding. Image opens the door. Brand decides whether people stay. How image and brand creates opportunities. Strong image plus clear brand leads to better career growth, leadership roles, business trust, client confidence, higher income potential. People don't buy skills alone, they buy confidence, clarity, and credibility. Psychology behind image and branding. Humans use mental shortcuts, visual clues, tone, behavioral patterns. This is called heuristic judgment. Image consulting aligns your signals with the message you want people to receive. Critical steps you can start today. Audit your image. Ask, what do people see first? What impression do I create? Is it aligned with my goals? Clarify your brand message. Define in one line, I help with dash. Align appearance and communication. Dress for the role you want. Speak with clarity and calm. Maintain professional etiquette. Clean your digital footprint. Profile photos, bios, content consistency. Common myths. Image is not superficial. No, image is communication. Branding is fake. No, branding is clarity. Skills alone enough. Skills without perception stay hidden. Your image introduces you before you speak. Your personal brand speaks for you when you are not present. When both are aligned, success becomes easier, faster, and sustainable. Image consulting and personal branding are not about changing who you are, they are about expressing who you are clearly and confidently. Personal branding, define your purpose in life, define your personal values, change your mindset, build your internal belief system.